A Blockbuster exclusive. Sesame Street Family Features starring Big Bird and Ernie, 1999 VHS. This has got Do the Alphabet and 1, 2, 3, Count With Me. Unfortunately, I don't have the 1999 Blockbuster exclusive VHS of Sesame Street Family Features starring Elmo. You know, the one tape that's got Kids Guide to Life, Learning to Share, and The Best of Elmo. Unfortunately, I don't have that tape, and I don't know if I'll ever find it, because of how extremely rare it is. So, who knows. But here's the tape anyway, and it print dates the 164th day of 2001. It's a reprint, but I checked the tape, and it's still got the original 99 contents. Even the Children's Television Workshop logo at the beginning, it's still intact. Cinder Elmo 2000 VHS. And that phone's annoying me. Let me... Where were we? Oh yes, this tape. Once again, this is the 2000 VHS of Cinder Elmo. And if I remember correctly, this one doesn't have a print date. But... yeah, no print date. I was right. In 2001, Elmo's Musical Adventure, The Story of Peter and the Wolf. Print dates the 49th week of 2002. Elmo's Magic Cookbook 2001 VHS. In the form of a slipcover. Two print dates. I scratched out some of this black sticker to reveal the old print date. And I don't know if y'all could see it, but the old print date's the 30th week of 1998, and the real print date up here is the 14th week of 2004. This is a recycled tape. And we have another one on our hands. We'll show you in a second, but here's Elmo's World Wild Wild West. Again, in the form of a slipcover. Yeah, both this and Elmo's Magic Cookbook were originally in clamshells, but I have the slipcover copies, which are even rarer. Oh, yeah, shit. Sorry about that, y'all. Okay. Two print dates again. 01 says the 22nd week of 1998, and the real print date appears the 17th week of 2004. Again, we have a recycle tape. Kids' Favorite Songs 2, 2001 VHS. Print date's the 17th week of 2005, so this is a very late reprint. And it's still got the original 2001 content. This next one does not have its original case, but inside is the 2002 VHS of Sesame Street Elmo's World Springtime Fun. 50th week of 2001, even though this is the 2002 VHS. Also from 2002, Computer Caper. Oh, wow, I never gave this a label. Oh, I guess I must have packed this away during the move out back in 2020. Okay. Anyway, the print date's also the 50th week of 2001, even though this is a 2002 VHS. And we have another Blockbuster exclusive tape on our hands. This is Sesame Street Elmo's World Family Feature, 2002 VHS. This has got dancing, music, and books, and babies, dogs, and more. This is the Canadian copy. I know DK's Media Central Returns has the American printing of this tape, but my copy is the Canadian printing, and since this is a Canadian printing, there is no print date. Bert and Ernie's Wordplay, 2002 VHS. And the print date's the 20th week of 2002. Elmo Visits the Firehouse, 2002 VHS. Print date's the 33rd week of 2002. Elmo's World Happy Holidays, 2002 VHS. I'll go check on that dryer when I'm done with this video, if y'all heard it in the background. Print date's the 36th week of 2002. 3 weeks apart from Elmo Visits the Firehouse. Alright, these next two also don't have their original cases, but here we have the 2003 VHS of Elmo's World, Head to Toe with Elmo. Yep. Print date's the 50th week of 2002, even though this is a 2003 VHS. And this is another Elmo's World tape. And here, this time, it's The Great Outdoors, also from 2003. Print date's the 20th week of 2003. Excuse me. We have Sesame Sings Karaoke, also 2003 VHS. Print date's the 51st week of 2003. And the lid had to be repaired. It was broken in half when I got it in the mail. But the tape works, and it's not damaged either, so that is also good. Here we have another Blockbuster exclusive. Elmo's World Family Features starring Elmo and Friends. With the videos of Wake Up with Elmo and singing, drawing, and more. I don't have those individually yet, but I'd like to get those someday. Individually. The Blockbuster date is September 15th, 2003. Black reels, but they don't squeak. Blockbuster end label. And the print date's the 23rd week of 2003. Okay, we have the 2004 VHS of What's the Name of That Song? Celebrating 35 years. Predates the 10th week of 2004. This appears to be a recycled tape. Yeah, this is a recycled tape. Because of the emblematic film strip there. Interesting. Sesame Street Almost Well, The Street We Live On, 2004 VHS. Another tape celebrating 35 years. Predates the 4th week of 2005, so this is a reprint. Yep, 4th week of 2005. Just double checking there. A Magical Halloween Adventure 2004 VHS. We got a few tapes left, y'all. Come on. There we go. Predates 29th week of 2004.